Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. It is called I Trust Him. Now, I posted another dance to this very same song, and this dance here I consider a beginner intermediate. It's 32 counts. It's a two-wall dance. The other dance had 3 parts, so I consider that an intermediate dance. But I'm going to give you step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. Make sure you check out the choreographer, DJ Chris Blues. He has an instructional. Also, please like, comment, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe and share this video. Are you ready? Let's go. So, first things first, I'm going to show you 2 ways to count this dance in, okay? So, when the beat drop, you can count it 2 ways. You go 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, pause. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to start back on right back, recover. And the count again is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, pause. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's one way to count it in. The second way is the way till the music pauses, the beat drops off, there's no sound, and you say 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which was right back, recover, left, right. Okay? All right. So you'll see that in Chris Blues instructional, the demo, everything. That is the count. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2. 2, 3, 4, pause. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is left, right. So if you go to my demo, I count you in. All right? So, first 8 count. So we start on 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8 count is left, right, left. Move it up. Right, left, right. On the left, out, up, down, out. Coaster, slide. So I put my weight on the right, slide to the right, and I'm dragging with that left leg. That's going to be our first 8 count. Okay? So we start on 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how we count it in. Then we go left, right, left. We move up, right, left, right. The left goes out, up, down, out on the right. Then we're going to do a coaster slide to the right. Drag on that left. All right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. My weight is on the right. I'm dragging on the left. Let me show you how it looks from here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. All right? I'm dragging, but my weight is here. I'm going to continue going this way. I'm going to do a travel step. Behind, side, front. Behind, side, front. Okay, so I'm sliding to the right, and I'm going to continue going to the right. Behind, side, front, tap, step, left, lock, step back. Okay? So let's count that travel step. 1 and 2, tap 3 and 4 and, I'm sorry. Let's go back to the top from the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. If you stop at 7. So I do it behind side, cross to the front. Behind side, front, Tap on the right, step on the right, and come back on a left lock step. Left, right, left. Then we're going to do a 3/4 turn. It's going to be our first turn. We go right and left with the right shoulder coming back. And I stop on 7. This right here is 7. All right? So what did we do? Behind, we're crossing behind. Behind, side, front. Tap on the right, step on the right to come back with a lock step on the left. Left, right, left. Right shoulder come back 3/4. Right, left. All right, and we're in on 7. So let's put that together from the side, from the top. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, slide 8. It's 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. That travel step is 1 and 2, tap 3, block 4 and 5, 6, 7. That travel step. 1 and 2, tap 3, left lock step. 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. Remember, we're making a 3/4 turn back. Then we're going to do a right lock step. We ended on 7, 8 and out and cross. Lock step back on the right. Right, left, cross. Then we go out and cross. The left goes, and we end it with a cross here. Out and cross to the front. Okay? So we lock step back on the right, right, left, cross. Lock step, right, left, out and cross. Step on that left. So I don't want you to go right, left, out and cross. Out and cross. I want you to pick up that left leg. Right, left, out and cross. Yes. Out and cross. On the left. I still pick up my right like I did on my left. Out and cross. We step on the right and do a left coaster step. Okay, so what did I do here? I come back on my right, which is 8 and 1. 8 and 1 and 2. 3 and 4, step 5. 6, 7 and 8. So when I do my out and cross, out and cross, step on your right, put the weight on the right, do a left coaster step. So I do a lock step back, right, left, cross. The left is out and cross. Step on your right, step right, left, coaster step. So I'm doing a lot of transferring my weight. Lock step, out and cross. My weight is on the right. Out and cross. My weight is on the left. Step right. My weight is on the right with a left coaster step. All right, so let's put it together. Let's do a review. 4, 5, 6, rock back, recover on 7, 8. But we start counting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We do the basic, left, move it up, right, left, right, out, up, and down, coaster slide, do that travel step, behind, side, front, tap on that right, come back on the right, tap first, tap on that right to come back on the right, and do that lock step on the left. Left, then turn, step right, left. 3/4 turn back with the right shoulder coming back. Then we do that lock step again. Lock step, out and cross on the left. Out and cross. Transferring that weight, step right with a left coaster step. Let's put it together. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, and 8. Travel 1 and 2, tap 3. Lock 4 and 5, 6, 7. Lock 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and, oh my God, I'm sorry. I got it off on my count. So I'm going to count first. Let me count first. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5, 6, 7. 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. There you go. Let's do it again. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. I'm going to slow it down. Okay? Help me count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. More music, pause. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 up, 3 and 4 out, 5 and 6, 7 slide 8 is 1 and 2 tap 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. All right? Now, we're getting ready to do another turn to get to our second wall. The dance is only 32 count. So our last step was on the left. So my weight is on the left. I tap right, rock up, recover. My shoulder gonna come back. I'm going to this wall. I step right, left, I slide right, I slide left, and I slide to the right. My weight is on the right. My heel is up, the dance starts over. You're not going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to go right into your basic. Left, right, left, right. You only do that at the beginning of the dance. Okay? After that, go cross left, go up, right, left, right. Let's work on that turn. So, before we turn, we're going to tap, rock up, recover. We're going to start our turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, 5, 5 you at your wall, slide 6, slide 7, and I'm sliding back and go straight across on 8. To put my weight on the right, the dance starts over. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, same thing. Same thing we did at the front wall, we did at the back wall. They're going to mimic each other. So when we turned at this wall, that means our first turn going to be at this wall. And your right shoulder is always coming back. Let's do that again. Our turn is tap. So we just did our left coaster step. So our weight is on the left. So we go tap, rock up, recover to start our turn. Right, left. There I go. So with my slide on the right. I'm sliding back. Slide back on the left. Then I go straight across on the right. In the dance. So it's 1. And you're not stepping, you're just tapping. So when you do your coaster step, you tap. Don't put no weight on that right. Okay? You're just tapping. A step is putting your weight. A tap is tap. Heel is up because you're going to do something with the same leg again. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, I want you at your wall. Slide back on 6, slide back on 7, and straight across on 8. All right, let's put it together. Let's do a review. That's right, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock back, recover. You're only going to do it at the beginning of the dance. Then we go left, left. Move it up, right, out, up and down, coaster slide. When I slide on my right, I'm dragging on my left. All right? Then I go, my left heel is up, I go into that travel, behind, side, front, tap right, step back on the right, go back on that left lock step. Left, right, left. First turn, Right shoulder come back, 3/4 turn. Right, left. And that left, I'm at this wall. To go right into another right lock step, out and cross. Lock step, out and cross. Transferring my weight to the right. Look at my left heel is up. Out and cross. My weight is on the left. I step right, put that weight on the right with a left coaster step. Coaster step. Then we just went through that tap, tap, step, step. See, when I tap here, I didn't put my weight here. I put my weight here. I transfer my weight on the right, the left, the right, the left. I'm at my wall. My right shoulder came back, 3/4 turn. I slide back on the right. I slide back on the left. And I went straight across on my right. Let's put it together. All that is 32 counts. That's a lot. 32 counts, okay? So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Then 6, 7 and 8. Travel 1 and 2, tap 3. 4 turn 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5. 6, 7 and 8, tap 1 up 2, rock 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, you're going straight across. All right, that's the dance. I'm gonna do it at this wall, but we're gonna have a blind spot when we make that first 3/4 turn. Okay, but you know the dance. Just do the steps. All right. Let's go into our basic. No, we're not doing 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're not doing a rock back recover. Only at the beginning of the dance. So we go right into the left, right, left. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, then 6, 7, slide 8, travel 1 and 2, tap 3, 4 and 5, turn 6, 7, 1 and 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, tap 1 up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that wall again. I lost my count for a minute. All right, basic. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, then 6, 7, like 8 is 1 and 2, tap 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8, tap 1 up 2, turn 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Back at your wall, 2 wall dance. I trust him. You got 2 dances you can do. This is I would teach this dance to my beginners and my intermediate class because I have beginners that's been coming a while. So this is a high beginner intermediate dance. So those beginners that's been coming to your class for a minute, they can do this dance, okay? The other dance have 3 parts. So that would be an intermediate. I don't know if I would teach my beginners that. I would definitely teach my intermediate. But with the 3 parts, I don't know if I would teach my beginners. They could get it, but I just have to spend more time on it. So you got your pick. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Make sure you share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.